What if the tiniest particles in the universe didn't just follow rules, but actually made choices? Could electrons and photons have a form of free will? It sounds ridiculous, but this is a real question being debated in modern physics. At the heart of the mystery is quantum mechanics, the science of how things behave at the smallest scales. Unlike classical physics, where cause and effect rule, quantum particles behave strangely. They exist in multiple states at once, they don't have a defined position until observed, and they seem to respond to measurement in unpredictable ways. This unpredictability raises a wild possibility. Maybe quantum particles aren't just random. They're making independent decisions based on their environment. One famous experiment that fuels this debate is the double-slit experiment. Fire a single photon at two slits, and it behaves like a wave, going through both at once. But measure which slit it goes through, and it behaves like a particle, going through just one. The act of observing changes the outcome. Even stranger, in delayed choice experiments, the decision to measure is made after the photon has passed the slits, and it still changes its behavior retroactively, as if it knew what we'd decide. Some physicists argue this suggests quantum particles have some internal mechanism, making real-time choices based on available information. This isn't consciousness, but it does challenge the idea of a strictly deterministic universe. The idea has even inspired the free will theorem by Conway and Cochin, which says, if humans have free will, then so must some particles, because their responses aren't fully determined by past events. Of course, not everyone agrees. Many physicists still believe it's just probability, not choice. The randomness is built into nature, not coming from intent. Still, the fact that the universe behaves this way leaves the door open to profound questions about freedom, consciousness, and the very nature of reality. So, is the universe truly random? Or is there a hidden layer of decisions happening beneath our understanding? Tell us your theory in the comments, and subscribe to Lies or Legends to keep exploring the mind-blowing ideas that redefine what's possible.